traveling around in my camper, I stop at a lot of places where I want to barbecue something. They always have grills and stuff at a lot of the campgrounds, and I didn't have any barbecue stuff. So I got this, it's the Anpro grilling accessory set. So let's check out and see what's in there. And so this is the whole set right here. You can see it's got the little skewers, so I can make some skewer stuff, and they put little rubber tips on the ends of stuff, which is kind of nice because then it won't poke holes and things. It's got the spatula thing, got a big knife. I'm not sure what these are. These might be like for corn or something. I'm not sure. I have to look up the instructions, but there's a bunch of those. It's got the marinade brush. It even has a grill cleaner here. You can see it's got a grill scraper and cleaner. So some of these ones are gross to start with, so I can actually clean it. And then it's got the little grabbers. So these are pretty sweet, and it comes in this nice little case. And I'm just gonna stick this in my trailer here, put it underneath, and when I go camping somewhere, I'll be happy, all set and ready to go.